Shubor na Khlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rambak Kejela ubak Prestone Tensong mentaka sengi ke Khot Waitrik unok pra arjar arfulai. Haba jubab ya ke Jingkynthoh jong ubak Adelbert Nongrim. Ulaong kini Nongrim ki Ïakynduh nia ya ke sarkar haga bedai bat ke jing ai jakab yang sa iwei point saw akar na ke benta ke jing penken ria ya ke harijan koloni na temio maulong sha European world ki ale kai politics. Ubak Tensong ulat her de ke peting ya gini Nongrim de ke baong. Bakini kile kai politik ya kene ka kam Khlem da tip ya ka jing shisha. Ki Khlem tip buat ya ka jing don ki ba syong basa ah kene ka jaka. Ulaong ngam don por ban Ïakren bat ki Halor kene ka kam bat kalong le no kum kini ki mat ki baki wanra. Menteri ke sarkar jelau la benrap ru de ka baong ba ya kene ka jaka ka babha biang kata ka iwei point saw akar kanam IT kini ki breu Henry an IT yekine sha ke Shillong Municipal Board. Ula benrap susu de ka baong ba kene ka jaka kanam dei ka jongki harijan Henry kan dei jong ka Shillong Municipal Board. Ula ong ru bala da kwa man tip khambha wan ban Ïakynduh ngan batai bha khnang ba phinam yalam bakla ki pat ba la benrap ubak Prestone.
Without knowing the reality, without knowing even the actual numbers of the residents of that place. So I don't want to debate, I don't want to waste time with this kind of issues which they raise. Number two, when we say we need additional land of 1.4 of 1.5 acres, means this land will not be transferred to these people. It should be transferred, it should be handed over to Shillong Municipal Board. Simple. It does not belong to them. This land belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board. That's what I'm saying. Don't play politics unnecessarily. If you need clarification, come and meet me. I will explain to you everything. So you can't just mislead people. I think enough is enough. Balikin Ïakren na kata kulti. Ban persyang ban persutu baklayo pa bajong. Mga pi hamno bingi ong mangin ay jaka ya kita. Ngong pi ka jaka ngin ay jaka Shillong Municipal Board. But Shillong Municipal Board kan selek ka dengkam kum kinong trei jong ka Shillong Municipal Board. Ten rei ngong pi ngai ki statement joki. Hana bala da pimlah menta IT hangi ka VP. Kai ka bikin le maki. Haba ki breu ki bom tip talu au bi klep tip je ka beng kdo. Ki persyang ban persutu baklai ki pai ba. I think enough is enough. Upai ba nga try usutu ba kata. Tengah kerpat ye gini leaders, but kim day ban sutu bakla, but kim day ru ban mislead ye ki pai ba jok jela joni.